Ready to level up your photography and filmmaking game in 2026? Whether you're shooting weddings, wildlife, YouTube videos, or just capturing everyday moments, Canon has a camera designed for you. The problem is choosing the right one. So to save you time and money, we tested and compared the latest models to bring you the top 5 best Canon cameras of 2026, ranked from budget-friendly to professional powerhouses. By the end of this list, you'll know exactly which Canon deserves a spot in your camera bag. Let's dive in. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 V. Introducing the Canon EOS R50 V, Canon's first RF body designed specifically for vlogging creators, blending cinema EOS DNA with compact, creator-first intelligence. Built for storytellers who demand professional results without professional complexity. A dedicated live stream button, front-facing movie record button, and vertical tripod screw hole put effortless content creation right at your fingertips, eliminating friction between inspiration and action. Just point, press, and captivate. Pairing a powerful 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor with a Digic X image processor, the R50 V delivers stunning color accuracy and rich detail across every frame. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 ensures quiet, smooth autofocus that locks onto subjects with remarkable confidence, faces, eyes, and moving subjects tracked intelligently without missing a beat. 4 built-in live streaming modes, UVC, HDMI, Camera Connect, and Live Switcher Mobile keep your audience connected across every platform simultaneously. Canon Log 3 support delivers breathtaking cinematic color grading flexibility in post-production. Number 4. Canon EOS R8. Introducing the Canon EOS R8, the mirrorless camera that brings professional full-frame imaging within reach of every passionate photographer and content creator. Big camera capability, surprisingly compact reality. The EOS R8 inherits the imaging heart of the acclaimed EOS R6 Mark II, a 24.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor paired with a powerful Digic X processor, delivering stunning stills and exceptional video quality that punches confidently above its accessible price point. Uncropped 4K video oversampled from 6K at up to 60 FPS captures breathtaking cinematic footage with extraordinary detail and richness. Every frame magnificently preserved. With 1,053 automatic AF points covering the entire sensor area, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 delivers lightning-fast subject detection, intelligently tracking people, animals, and vehicles with relentless, confident precision through every challenging shooting situation. Weighing just 414 grams, the R8 stands as one of the lightest full-frame cameras available, effortlessly portable without ever feeling compromised. Canon Log 3 and HDR-PQ deliver professional color grading flexibility for creators ready to elevate their storytelling. Number 3. Canon EOS R7 RAP7OR. Introducing the Canon EOS R7, the APS-C mirrorless powerhouse that delivers professional-grade performance with a speed, precision, and capability that leaves every expectation shattered. Built for photographers and creators who demand more from every single shot. A stunning 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic X processor captures breathtaking stills and cinema-quality 4K video with extraordinary detail, rich color accuracy, and remarkable dynamic range across every challenging shooting condition imaginable. Blazing 30 FPS electronic shutter speed freezes action with pinpoint precision. Wildlife, sports, fast-moving subjects. Nothing escapes the R7's relentless, intelligent pursuit. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 tracks eyes, faces, animals, and vehicles with uncanny, confident accuracy through every chaotic, unpredictable moment. In body image stabilization, delivering up to 8 stops of compensation keeps handheld shots impossibly steady, sharp, clean, and professional regardless of lighting conditions. Dual card slots, weather sealing, and robust build quality complete a package built for demanding real-world professional use. Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Introducing the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, the mirrorless powerhouse that bridges enthusiast ambition and professional excellence with breathtaking confidence. Refined, reimagined, and ready for everything you demand. A stunning 32.5MP full-frame CMOS sensor paired with a Digic X processor delivers extraordinary detail, capturing up to 40 FPS with 20 frames of pre-continuous shooting, freezing decisive moments before you even fully press the shutter. Nothing escapes. Internally recorded 7K RAW video at up to 60 FPS, with Canon Log 2 delivering 15+ stops of dynamic range, gives filmmakers and hybrid creators breathtaking cinematic flexibility that rivals cameras costing significantly more. Pure visual storytelling freedom. In-body image stabilization reaching up to 8.5 stops keeps handheld footage impossibly steady, sharp, clean, and professional in every challenging lighting condition imaginable. Dual card slots combining Express Type B and UHS 2SD ensure serious workflows never skip a beat. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Full-Frame Hybrid Mastery. Refined, reimagined, remarkable. Introducing the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, the full-frame mirrorless camera that masterfully bridges passionate enthusiast ambition and professional-grade performance in one beautifully balanced, versatile package. Stills, video, everything elevated. A Canon-developed 24.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor paired with the powerful Digic X processor delivers sharp, detailed images with remarkably low noise, even in the most challenging low-light conditions. Every scene rendered with stunning, confident fidelity. Impressive 4K 60p 10-bit internal video with Canon Log 3 support gives filmmakers and hybrid creators breathtaking cinematic flexibility and color grading freedom that rivals cameras costing significantly more. Pure visual storytelling unleashed. RAW burst mode captures up to 30 FPS, while in-body image stabilization delivers up to 8 stops of shake correction, keeping every handheld shot razor-sharp and confidently steady. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with automatic subject detection intelligently tracks people, animals, and vehicles with relentless, pinpoint precision through every unpredictable moment.